And welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine, and today we are on Tablas Island. So far, it's one of my favorite islands we've been to. We've been here like almost a week, actually. We stayed in a different place for a while. We didn't really get much footage on that, but we've been hanging out here most of the time. Because right now the tide's out, it's low tide, so when the tide's in, I'll show you the beach area because it's gorgeous. I've literally hung out there every day and I've pretty much been the only person there. So it's wonderful, and like I just get some snorkel equipment and I just live my best life here. It's wonderful. So yeah, let me show you where I've been hanging out. Over here. Scavenger's Paradise. It is so fun. The guy who owns it is from LA. His name's Rick. He's awesome. Met some friends here. They have delicious food. The wife makes the food. It is so good. And it's just a super fun like bar. They always have music playing and they have karaoke, of course, which I think we're gonna play later. So I know I'm gonna kill it on Britney Spears again, so I'm not even worried. And then over here is another part of them. It's just kind of like a nice little hangout area. Is where I lay out every day. It is literally the best chair ever. No sand, anything, and I get a gorgeous view of that island. Again, the tide's out right now, so I'll get pretty pictures of it later. It's actually the lowest I've seen it. So pretty picture of that island, and then over here, I get all this view. And like, honestly, the beach is a little crowded right now because there's 3 people. So anyway, but that is over here. Now it's November 2nd, but we've hung out here all week. We've been to a couple Halloween parties, and we're renting from this pirate ship place. So let me show you. Wait, actually, so we got a bike today, and this is my favorite bike ever. First of all, Superman is my favorite superhero, so that's amazing. The gold detail on this, pimp my ride, hello, this is fabulous. And then we get this character on the seat. I'm dying. I'm excited to ride this today. We're going to the cockfights later today, and then I don't even know what else, but we got a sick ride for it, so I am hyped. Over here is another bar restaurant area that we've been hanging out at, and that's where the Halloween party was. It was super fun. Not a ton of people dressed up. I didn't dress up. I literally looked like this, just a different shirt on. So yeah, so it's really fun over there. I just keep calling it the pirate ship. I think it's called the Eco Resort, which is also where we are staying. So, this is our house. We are at the very tip top floor, so we got the penthouse suite. Super sick. I know, it's amazing. It's only $30 a night, so $15 each between me and Beau. It's fabulous, so I'll show you up there in a second. But you can also get these little huts. They're not air conditioning, they come with a fan, but it's only $15 a night, so not a bad deal at all. So let's go see the room. Here's our front door, super fancy. We're going to go up 2 flights of stairs. There's no elevator, and I was dying bringing all my luggage up. So here is part of our penthouse suite. We have a nice little seating area over here, and this is where we actually get both rooms. There's 2 rooms up here and a shared bathroom. Here's where we keep all our stuff. It's like a giant walk-in closet, and we're not allowed to sleep on the bed. Oh my god, and there's a lizard in here. I've gotten used to lizards being in my room.
No, you haven't.
But I really hate it. And I beg Beau to kick them out. And sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't, but I just like don't like reptiles, you know? You know, I know. And over here is our room. It's super nice. We have air conditioning. We have like a little desk where we work / do our makeup. Love that. We have a nice bed. Great view. It's wonderful. There's our helmets for our sick ride later. Yeah, the view's not as good out that window as it is on the balcony. Let me show you. Yeah, another seating area, not that exciting. And it's so pretty out here. We get a gorgeous view of pretty much everything. The palm trees, you know, kind of block it, but I mean, you can still see the water and stuff, and like the sunsets and stuff. It's beautiful. We have a nice little view of the bar and of that bar over here. And at all times of the day, because right now it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, maybe, but they've been playing music over there since like 7, which I'm not mad about. It was a great way to wake up. It's cool. I was up anyway. But yeah, it's just a fun beach. I don't know the beach's name. People have been asking me for a week where I've been going, I'm like, I don't know. It's just a beach down there. I think it's Bianco? Bingo? I don't know. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, so that is the beautiful tour of where we've been staying in Tablas. We have a busy day ahead of us, so, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and all that fun stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.